What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp. This is a little bit of a tutorial. We're going to talk about properties. I already have my Visual Studio open. I already have my class program. My main class is already done. It's already there. That's what I'm trying to do. But let's make it more visible. Let's just do class. Let's just do program, and then open and closing curly brackets. And inside here we have our static void main, and then we have args, no, string, and then we have args right here. Okay, open curly brackets same time. So a class has properties, and also a class has fields and has methods. Okay, sometimes the fields also are called variables. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just do an example right here. For example, in we'll say string name. Okay, and also we can just do int age. Yeah, just a pretty simple example right here. So what's going to happen with this? This is a variable, and in a class is called a field, and the access modifier is a keyword, public and private. And this by default, this field, it is private. If you don't see the word private or public and this variable in this field, so it's going to be private. So that could be private like this. Boom. Yeah, just like that. And and these fields, when they're private, you only can use it, or these variables, you only can use it inside the class. So let's do that. So we're still in the same class. So let's create our object right here inside our main method right here. So we're going to say program, and we're going to say uh, person equals the keyword new, and then you do again program, and then open and close in parentheses. And then right here you can just say person that um, name, and then you just add a name right here. Let's just put pastor, which is my name, semicolon, and also you can just do age, person that age equals, let's just do 15. Okay, and now you just do a console that right line, and then you pass it right here, person that name, and the semicolon, and let's run this program right here, and that should give us just a name pastor. Let's see, and boom, we have the name pastor right there, right here on top, pastor. So that worked. As you can tell, we only can use this these fields or this variable inside the class. If you want to use this outside the class, it will give you an error. So how do you access if you want to use this variable right here, the string name and the age? So you use it by creating a property. So how do you do that? Let's just do this. Let's create another class. If you go right here on the right in properties, if you go to add, let's do a class, and let's create it right here. Let's put a name. What do we do? Personal private information. Personal private information. Personal private. Yeah, does that make sense? Yes, something like that. Okay, let's create that, and we have a class. Okay, let's make it public. Okay, that's cool. And let's create. So right here, there is a couple ways that we can do. So if you do private, private, right, private. How do you make, let's go back to our program right here. How do you make this string name? Because private, this is private, right? By default, this are private. How do you make this? How can you access this in a different class? So you gotta make it public. Let's create appropriate public. So we got string name. So what we have to do right here, and also let's go back. Let's do it right here. So let's just do pro, and then just do tap tap. Should give you okay. So in this case, we have a name. I mean a string. So and we do capital and name, and then we use get and the set. So the get will return the name, and set it will return, it will give you the value of name. Okay, and that's how we can access this private properties of or variables from that class, and we can access making it as a property which is going to be public. Does that make sense? Yeah, hopefully. Okay, and let's create more properties right here. So let's just do right here occupation. Okay, this is where we create all the properties. Occupation. Let's just do Control D and let's copy a few of this. Okay, occupation. What else do we have? Let's create more videos. Occupations. Let's just do color. Let's create another one by the name. Let's see. What else can we say? Color, name, occupation, color, like your favorite color. So how much you make a year? Let's just do salary. So which is going to be int. Let's change that variable right there. It's going to be int. The type is going to be int. It's going to be salary. Okay. And also we can, what else do we do? Name, occupation, color, salary. Yeah, that should be it. Okay. We have a class with these properties right here that we created. They're public, that you can use it outside of this class. If you want to use it inside, it would be private. But no, it's public. Okay. Now let's go to our program, to our class program, which is in the main method. So let's get rid of this pan, and let's get rid of that for now. And then we're going to say, so we're going to create our object. So we're going to do personal. So we can access those properties from that class. It's going to be personal private information. We're going to say new. No, we're going to say, let's just do personal equals the keyword new, creating our object, the name of the class, personal private information, and then you just open and close the parentheses, and then semicolon, and also right here you can just do a bar. Yeah, and that should work too. And we just do personal um, we just do personal that, and that's what we're going to be using. So we got name, and we're going to say Pastor, which is my name. That's the only name I remember. Personal that, what else do we say? What else do we say? H. Where's my H, dude? There's no H in here. What? What did we say? Let's go back over here. Oh yeah, there's no H. You're right. So should we add H? Yeah, let's add H. Public let's do this. Let's get rid of that. Let's do Control D, and let's just do H right here. Capital A, H. Cool beans. Let's go back to our program, and then we just do H equals, let's just do 25. I am 25. Yes, I am 25. Let's do personal again. That, what else do we have? Occupation. What is my occupation? Well, let's just put programmer. Semicolon, and then personal. That, what else do we do? Color. What is your favorite color, man? My favorite color is green. Cool. That's pretty good in there. What else do we have? 3, 4 properties. 3, 4. There is 5. Oh, salary. How much do I make? So personal. How much money do personal? That salary. Do you know how much money I make? Let me put it $600,000 a year. That would be nice. I don't make that much money. Oh man, that's a dream salary right there. But anyway, so right here, what we can do just to make it really good. So personal, let's do personal that, and then we just do salary. Yeah, right there. Boom. Issue. Let's run the program. It should give us 600,000. Pan right there. So let's make it really cool. Let's say, let's do this. Let's use a string interpolation. A string interpolation. So we're going to say right here, my name is, my name's open curly bracket, and then we're going to do the personal name. Personal that name, and then right here we're going to say, okay, comma, I am, open curly brackets, and then we're going to do personal age, personal that age. Okay, and then we're going to say I am 25 years old. Go down right here, and right here we're going to do programmer. Oh, I did spell it wrong right here. Programmer. So I work as a programmer. So let's just do personal that occupation. Okay, and then we do work as a personal, as a programmer, and I make yeah, oh, that's good, and I make oh, that would be so nice to make that much money a year. Oh man, I would be set. I will work only 1 year, and that's it. With that salary, and I make dollars dollars a year, yearly. Okay, boom. And then we, and my favorite color, and my favorite color is, and then we say right here the favorite color is going to be green. Personal that color, pan right there. Let's save it, and let's run the program. It should give us all of that information right here. Okay, cool. Right here we have it. My name is Pastor. I am 25 years old. I work as a programmer, and I make $600,000 yearly, and my favorite color is green. Oh, that's awesome. And also you can create another object right here. Yeah, you can create another object. So you can just do the same thing. Let's just copy this. block of code right here, and then go down, and then you can just say personal. Maybe you can just say the name Francisco Francisco right there as a variable name, and then you just change this. Let's just copy and change it right here, create another object by the name Francisco as a variable name. Boom, boom, boom. And then we're going to change the contents of the values. It's going to be Francisco. Francisco is 35 years old, and he works as a IT manager. IT manager. Oh man, I can't even know how to spell anymore. What? Manager. And then his favorite color is going to be red for Francisco. And then he's going to be making $900,000 as an IT manager. Wow, that's a dream job right there for sure. Let's copy this and let's just change the bodies right here. Paste. Let's paste it. Oh, that didn't do it. Okay, paste. Francisco. Keep doing that. Are we missing one more? Oh, it should be good. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there is 5. 3, 4, 5. What am I missing? Oh, there is one more over here. Okay. All right, so we should be good. We should be good with this. Oh, wait. What did I do? Let's change that. Okay. I'm supposed to copy this, not to change it in there for, for personal. Okay. Let's just do this console right here. The right line. Empty string. Semicolon. Pan, pan. To see any difference, we're going to do. Oh man, what did I do? Come on, Francisco, what's going on? Let's copy Francisco again. Let's change that variable name right there. Those 3, 4, and 5. And that should work. Save that and just run the program. Alright, so what we got. Oh, I didn't change the. Wait, I didn't change the contents over here. Francisco. Oh, I changed it right on the top. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Let's do that. Let's see. Run the program. And that's what we have. Francisco. My name is Francisco. I am 35 years old. I work. Yeah, we can fix those. I work as an IT manager and I make $900,000 yearly, and my favorite color is red. And there's me down there. My name is Pastor. I'm 25 years old. I work as a programmer and I make $600,000 yearly, and my favorite color is green. Yeah, that works. So we use these properties right here in a different class. Bam! So that's cool. Alright guys, hopefully this helped you out in your journey. So don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. So we're growing slowly but surely. Alright, have a good day and see you next.